gonna be one 4th of July. Everybody got fireworks. Everybody house caught on fire.
Isn't it better that we didn't go to downtown?
Huh?
Isn't it good that we didn't go downtown?
Yeah. It's like, nah, it's more planned, oriented, got music, like.
I have music, but, you know, I don't like the Roots. I don't like them. The only thing that's good is the fucking drummer. That's just nice. Wow. We're having competition now. They impressed the shit out of me. Whoa, that shit's nice. Wow, whoa.
Yeah. Who's winning? Who's winning?
They winning, fuck that. Super Chinese. Fuck that, they win.
Happy 4th, motherfucker.
Yo, it'd be funny shit like they had one that said that shit when it goes, Happy 4th, motherfuckers. Happy face. Shit, smoky shit around here, dog.
I know, right?
Yo, this is what you call 4th of July, yo.